Cheer, cheer, cheer the year, a new one's just begun. Celebrate with all your friends, cheers to everyone. Cheer, cheer, cheer the year, a new one's just begun. Celebrate with all your friends, cheers to everyone. Cheer, cheer, cheer the year, a new one's just begun. Celebrate with all your friends, cheers to everyone. Cheer, cheer, cheer the year, a new one's just begun. Celebrate with all your friends, cheers to everyone. Cheer, cheer, cheer the year, a new one's just begun. Celebrate with all your friends, cheers to everyone.
Welcome to the class again. Welcome to this class once more. My dears, it is said that keep your face to the sun sign, so you cannot see your shadow. Keep your face to the sun sign, so you cannot see a shadow. Means, when your mind is in positivity, your mind is in positive thought, no negativity, no shadow can enter in your mind, in your body, in your soul. With this, we are starting today about the photography to learn something new. As in the last video, I have shown you some tricks must have tried or trying. As soon as you will see the video, watch the video, you will be able to understand how beautiful the things. Very simple way you can do it. I urged, must do it. I request you, must do it. You will get a different type of photography. Today, we will discuss about camera lens and eye lens. My dear children, eyes cannot able to see until and unless an object is getting some light. What is that? See, this is our eye. This eye won't be able to see until and unless a light is falling on the object. As soon as the object gets light, then we are able to see. And that visibility depends on the eye power. Now, if the light is falling on any object, and this object is reflecting, but this object will reflect, and then you will able to see this light should be that much powerful by which you will able to identify. So for identification we need a particular light by which the object will reflect, and we will able to get the object in our eyes. Now, when this eye get the light, then only we are able to see, and the mind is having the sensor which divert it into the opposite side, and we are able to see a view as original. But in case of camera lens, it happens little different. What difference is there? When the light falls on the object, it reflects and it gets by the camera lens inside it. Now this is eye. The difference I was telling you, I was going to tell you what happens actually. You should know this eye. As soon as you get the light in camera lens, it's a camera lens and eye. If it is lens, this is eye. Both same way it works. Now when it works in the same way, you see the image comes this way, where you would like to hold it. Suppose you would like to hold it here in part A. You would like to hold it here is B. You would like to hold it here, that is C. When you would like to hold it in different place, it used to give you that image and its perfection. Now you would like to see near about the object, so you will be able to see it. If you would like to see it in 10 feet distance, you are able to see it. You would like to see it in infinity, you are able to see it. The same thing is happened with the image forming inside the camera or outside the camera when you would like to get it as a enlargement picture. You have seen many pictures, you have seen many posters, you have seen many hoods for advertisement, hoarding for advertisement which is there on the road. There's so much big in size, and so much big size is done as well as you are able to view in the TV, in your mobile phone or in the on the road. Everywhere you will find these all posters. It is made from one clip only. One master clips only used to give these many sizes. Now what I would like to tell you exactly, if this lens is there and you are clicking a picture, you have got it, now you have got the picture. Now when you are keeping your film here or negative here, it may be film or negative. Film doesn't work because film is raw material and negative is a developed form of that raw material. So when you are clicking a picture in film camera, it used to form the image inside the camera, and after that we develop that film and we get a formation of image which is opposite of the object. That is why it is called negative. And that negative we put in a machine, or if you are talking about digital camera, then also you have to go through the software which will able to enlarge that picture. It's not like this that as soon as you will click the picture, it developed by software. In this case of film, we develop it by the chemical. That's the only difference. But developing has to take place. Every time you will find when you do photography, after that camera, whatever camera it used to take few seconds. If you are clicking a picture by your mobile phone, there also you will find that in that mobile phone, after clicking a picture, it used to take at least 1 second for appearing the second shot on the viewfinder. Okay, so it develops there inside the camera by the software. Only the difference is that we use chemical, it use software. Okay. Now, when we are using this, we put here the negative, and from top of that we put light. When you put light from top of that, at that time what happens? this lens used to form the image. Now, if we hold it here, in this part, if we hold it here, we will get this much big picture. If you hold it here, you will get this much big picture. If you hold it here, you will get this much big picture. So, how much big picture you want to get by the help of that particular image, negative, you hold it on that particular place and you will get that picture on that area. So, it depends upon the area which we are using for to get an image. Okay, so you have understood this much. I think that for forming an image, as we need to get a distance from the object according to the camera lens. As soon as we get the picture in the camera, we need to go for that kind of enlargement. To cover that distance, we need to get the distance from that area. Okay? So, eyes and camera lens. What the difference is there? And what is the similarities? Difference is there, as in camera lens, as we click a picture, it used to give the view from a particular distance to infinity commonly. There is no difference. But in our eyes, if we would like to see 1 feet distance, we have to put our eyeball on that particular place, 1 feet, 2 feet, 3 feet, infinity, wherever it is. You cannot get the picture without that area. Maybe you would like to see somebody is in a group, someone is there, you are looking at that picture, so you won't be able to see others. So they will be sensible to you, you will be able to see by your these eyes that something is going on. You won't be able to identify it. In photography, it doesn't happen. It used to give you the image as soon as the 2 feet distance, all 2 feet distance, whatever the area it is covering, that much area it used to give. If it is covering 5 feet distance, it used to give the all area. That means from the focusing zone to till it's having its focus, it used to give that much distance in proper focus, whereas our eye cannot do it. Rest all, most of the things are same. Our eyes are more sensible. It can able to access in zero light also, but in photography you cannot do it in zero light, zero power light. You have to get a light at least which can able to give you the proper reflection. If you do not get proper reflection, you won't be able to get the image. Okay, so have a look the photographs, you try your level best, go for the tricks and take part in every month, that is in DPS side, click of the months and get the prizes. All the best. Thank you very much.
You know what spreads faster than any virus? It's fear. Now when it comes to fear, you can either forget everything and run, I said or you can face everything and rise. I believe. And let me tell you what I believe. I believe that. I believe we gon' face everything and rise. We will win. It's not how you fall, it's how you get back up. And what don't kill us make us stronger, boy. Bet that up. Take a swing at us, you better hit hard. Cause when we swing back, it's like, oh God, it's time to knuckle up and fight hard. Now let's all buckle up and fight hard. Que Dios bendiga a todas tus familias, mi amigo. Se parta mandito, vamos a darle duro esta vida. Say it with me. I believe. Say it with me. I believe that. Say it with me. I believe that we will win. Hear me say it. I believe that we will 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 say it. We can lose the battle, but we gon' win the war. I'm from the bottom, I'm that uncut, real raw. When things get tough, that's when we show up. That's when we show out. That's when we show yo. It's time to knuckle up and fight hard. Now let's all buckle up and fight hard. Que Dios bendiga a todas tus familias, mi amigo. Se parta mandito, vamos a darle duro esta vida. Say it with me. I believe. Say it with me. I believe that. Say it with me. I believe that we will win. Hear me say it. I believe that we will 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 win. I believe that we will say it. I believe that we will win. I believe that we will say it. I believe that we will win. I believe that we will say it. I believe that we will win. Bottom line, no matter what, face everything and rise.
Favorite fitness DJ.